are making a highly requested video.
Hey kids, my name is Zaya
And I am Muhammad. And she is
Honey!
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Before we begin, make sure to wash your hands or wear gloves.
And make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And hit that notification bell to get notified when we upload. This week's shout-outs go to...
If you would like a shout out in our next video, be sure to comment down below your name and what recipes you would like us to make.
We have a goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers.
Once we reach it, we will give away a bunch of prizes.
All the information you need is in the description below.
The ingredients are
1 organic cage-free egg
3 tablespoons of organic raw cane sugar,
or monk fruit sweetener, a splash of pink Himalayan salt, 5 tablespoons of King Arthur gluten-free all-purpose flour,
a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon and a half of white vinegar, a half cup of sour cream.
Wait, sour cream and donuts?
Yep, and we even tried it with ricotta and cottage cheese, and believe me, you won't even taste them.
It gives it a moist and spongy texture.
Whisk together the egg, sugar, and salt.
Add in the ricotta, cottage cheese, or sour cream. Then add in the flour and mix.
Then in a small bowl, combine the baking soda and the white vinegar.
It will start to foam. Add it in and mix.
Preheat the coconut oil to 350.
Drop it in using an ice cream scooper. Spray it with non-stick. Fry it on each side from 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. You can decorate it with powdered sugar and fill it with jam and custard. And now to the enlightenment board. The homemade is
Gluten-free,
no saturated fats,
no wait time,
not packed with sugar,
fun to make.
and ready in minutes.
We try not to consume a lot of gluten foods.
You know what? Let us explain. Gluten comes from the Latin for glue. Gluten helps make food stretchy and elastic.
Which can mess up your mood and make you unhappy.
Gluten everywhere, from cereals and bread to makeup and a sticky part of an envelope.
Check Instagram for photos of all our recipes so far, and be sure to tag SDH whenever you make any of our delicious recipes. Bismillah!
Before I begin, stay tuned for our strawberry
I
dinner.
like it, Aya.
Me too. And don't miss out on our no fried donuts.
I like it.
If you would like, you can fill them up with strawberry jam.
Or custard. The link is in the description below. Very good.
And you want one with jam? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing,
Liking,
and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you'd like to see in future videos.
and as always,
Simple, delicious, and healthy.
The ingredients are
1 egg.
3 tablespoons of raw organic cage. The ingredients are
1 egg.
Stop giving me the evil. The ingredients are
1 egg.
3 tablespoons of raw organic cage-free egg.
5 tablespoons of King's Arthur all gluten-free natural.
All gluten.
5 tablespoons. 5 tablespoons of King Arthur gluten-free all-purpose flour. 5 tablespoons of King Arthur gluten-free all-purpose flour.
A half teaspoon of baking powder. Baking
Soda.
Soda. Like you drink soda every day?
No.
You drink soda?
Ooh. Turn this around and poke you.
Gluten comes from the word Latin. Gluten helps make food stretchy and elastic.
Which can
Stretch your nose, that's like a... Gluten helps make food stretchy and elastic.
which can mess up your body and your mood.
So what that? And gluten helps make stretchy elastic.
The ingredients are
1 egg. You sound hysterically.